Hey guys, we are going to start our spelling lesson for the week, so go ahead and take out page 133 if you have not already, and we are going to sort our spelling words together. On page 133, write the words with double consonants. So if you notice, all of our words this week end with ER. So for the first set, they want us to find the two words that have a double consonant in the middle and then end with ER. So let's take a look at our list. I see winter has a double consonant, two N's, and summer. So go ahead and write those neatly for number 1. Number 2, they want us to write the words with TH. So I see father, I see mother, I see other, and brother. So go ahead and write your THER words in for number 2. Number 3, write the words that end with the letters TER or VER. So let's do our TER words first. So we have after, we have water, winter, master, and computer. All of those are TER words. Now VER words, we have never and discover. All right, at the bottom of this page, we're going to write in our challenge words for the week. Go ahead and write in adventurous and president. Those are your challenge words for the week. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at page 134, which is the back. We're still sorting our words. Number 1. Write the words that end with the letters BER, GER, and PER. So your BER word is number. Let's make that bigger again. Number. All right. GER word is finger, and your PER word is paper. Number 2, you're going to need your spelling dictionary for number 2. They want you to take a look at the words that have THER. We see that mother, father, and other are listed, and look up each word in your spelling dictionary. So if you have your spelling book handy, your spelling dictionary is in the back, and we're going to look up mother. So I'm going to go to our M words. Your page looks like this, if you can see that with your M words. And then I'm going to go to MO for mother. Let's go ahead and get that word up there so we can see it. And mother, they want us to show where it is divided into syllables. So we notice after the word mother is printed there in dark bold print, we see that it shows how we say the word. So if you notice, that's not how the word is spelled, but it's how we say the word, the sounds that we hear. And we see the space there that has MU and then space THUR. All right, so we know it's not how the word is spelled, it's the way we hear the word. All right, so if we see the space there, we notice there is a space between our mother. So they want us to draw a vertical line. Now I'm going to space here that you know that you're taking your pencil right now and you're drawing a vertical line between that O and your THER to show your two syllables. Sometimes in class we tap those out, mother. All right, let's do the same thing for father. So I know I'm going to go back to F and find line father for FA. So I want you to do the same thing so that you can see where the syllable is. So if we see father, and we can tap it out as well, father. So we're going to draw a vertical line between our FA and our THER. So our last word is other. Before we even look it up or tap it out, I want you to think about, where do you think your vertical line goes to show your two syllables there? So let's check what we think. We have other, and it is other. So notice your vertical line goes after the O. So we see that after your vowel is where your syllable break is, for THER being your second syllable on all three of those words. All right, now we're going to do the same thing with number 3. These words end with TER. Look up each word and see how it is divided into syllables. Divide them into syllables. So let's take a look at after. I'm going to have to go all the way back to my A's. After. We're going to tap it out as well. So if you don't have your spelling dictionary handy, tap it out. After. So we have AF and then TER. So you're drawing a vertical line right now between your F and your T to show after. All right, let's take a look at computer. Turning there to your C's. So we have computer. So this is a 3-syllable word, so you're going to have 2 vertical lines. COM, vertical line, PU, vertical line, TER. Computer. Last word there, winter. So let's go ahead and just tap that out. Winter. WIN, vertical line, TER. So we see with these 3 words that TER isn't a syllable all on its own at the end of the word. Now let's take a look at number 4. These words end with VER. We're going to look up each word to see how it is divided into syllables and then divide the syllables. So we have never, turning to your ends, or never. All right, I see never is our second N word there, so never. See that VER as your second syllable. And then let's take a look at discover. In your D section, you can also tap it out, discover. So DIS, vertical line for you, CO, and then that VER we know isn't a syllable all on its own. So discover. Number 5 and 6, we're going to write the high frequency words to complete the sentences. Our high frequency words this week are both whole, but we know WHOLE means the entire thing, and then HOLE is a hole, like if you dig a hole in the ground. So let's take a look at number 5. Mom and Dad spent the blank day with me. Now we know it's going to be Mom and Dad spent the whole day with me. So let's think about what word makes sense there. Let's make sure we spell it with our WH, whole. That means the entire day. And then number 6, I walked the whole length of the mall with a hole in my shoe. Uh-oh. All right, so the whole length of the mall, again, is the entire length of the mall. So we're going to use that word again, WHOLE. And then HOLE, for there was a hole in my shoe. All right, guys. I hope you have a great Monday. Don't forget to study your spelling words. You do have your test on Friday, and I will see you again on Wednesday for more practice with our ER words. Bye, guys.